So I've got my foldable desk here. Now this was gifted to me, so I could go ahead and just show you how this works and just show you the features. You can see here, right here at the top, of course we've got a handle here. It's real easy to carry. It's small and compact, so you can easily store this when you're not using it. When you are ready to use it, it just folds out like this. We've got these little handles here that just kind of are table legs. Just folds out like that. And there you go. There's no tools or anything needed to put this together. It's just all ready to go. It's about 23 inches in length and the depth is right around 15.5 inches or so. I mean, this is great for if you want to put it on the sofa, table, chair. Your kids may be doing projects here, or even if they're eating on this too, you can do that also. You can see here we do have a cup holder. We got a little tray right here. You could definitely put in maybe a phone or a tablet like that. And this area right here is really large, so you could easily put your laptop on that. Now it does have a wood look to it, but this is actually a smooth surface, so it's super easy to clean. And on the bottom side, we do just have some foam protectors here on the bottom. But overall, it's great, easy to use. I love that my grandkids, when they come over, especially if they're doing any homework or just having some snacks, they can put this right beside them and don't have to worry about a mess. Hope you found this helpful.